If you inherit a property and a home, and the deed has been transferred into your name, does that mean that every structure on that property has been certified with a legal permit and a CO? The short answer is no. I'm Deb Yelvington of Dynamic Permits, and my office often gets calls from new property owners who are confused about permit records for the property that they just inherited. It happens all the time that decks, sheds, finished basements are alterations that are done without the proper permits. Now, you can have legal transfer of the property. The deed is in the new person's name, and that doesn't necessarily mean that all the permits and the COs were checked for that property. That type of data is beyond a closing attorney's purview, and we find it all the time where language is different from the attorney's office and the building department's office. Story recently was a client that called, and he had recently inherited a property and he had it transferred into his name. He received the new deed recently and was very surprised to find a code enforcement officer knocking at his door. And he was informed that there were structures on his property that were unpermitted and that he needed to legalize them properly. He was baffled because he used an attorney and it was all done lawfully. How did this happen? So don't take for granted that when you receive transference of a property legally, that everything on the property has been legalized. Reach out to us at Dynamic Permits so that we can set you in the right direction and you can avoid a permit pickle. Thanks for watching, and please share this video.